Hey guys, today we are making chili shredded beef with green beans stir fry. It's super easy and delicious as a meal prep idea for lunch or dinner. And the ingredients that you need are very minimal and easy to get. Once you prep the green beans and the chili pepper, you are going to want to thinly shred your beef. You can get the top side beef or beef fillet, whichever you prefer. Beef fillet is the best, trust me with that. Allow the marinade to sit in the beef for about 30 minutes and you can get started working on your sauce, making sure that the green beans has a lovely bright green color, and allow the beef to also cook until browned, not burnt, not too dark brown, but lightly browned. I like to cook everything in the same pan. So with onion, garlic, and chili, add your beef and then your green beans, which are all cooked already. Give this a quick stir fry through for about a minute. Add your light soy sauce. See, this is so quick and easy. Adjust for seasoning, taste as you go. If you want more chili, feel free. A little bit more salt, go ahead. Then you add your cornstarch mix to thicken. Once it thickens, trust me, this is ready. And with rice, oh my gosh, you can have this with noodles if you want, but amazing, delicious, healthy. Enjoy, guys.